got a 9.5.
I can't do this to you. I can't do this to you. Oh.
A calm? Oh. You don't need those. Oh. What was that, huh?
Nothing.
What are you hiding in there?
It's
Is that date rape drug?
yeah, it's just very standard. I wonder if there's a 12 gauge up there. I don't know whether I should bring these or not. Here. Let's see. Duct tape in case anybody gets like their arm cut off.
I would have the shotgun.
I'm going shotgun, bro.
Here.
I have to fit in with the crowd, bro. Hey, Matt. Beavers, you?
I bet you'll win.
Hey, come here. Dude, I want to shoot some of this.
Hey, you have to do slot stack, walk up slowly.
I want to shoot some of that too.
Okay, I'll save you some.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on, how do you record this shit?
It's already recording.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Okay.
Are you recording?
Oh, shit.
Hey, look at him. I got a shotgun.
I'm waiting for you, Matt. Matt, you probably should stand in front of him. What? You probably should stand in front of him.
I can't really hear you.
No. Jesus. Jeez. Whew. That's spicy. Hold on, wait.
Take it easy. Oh, fuck.
No, that feels funny. You're on the right side.
All right.
Good side.
Jake.
Oh, I got 2 more bullets.
All right, come on, Jake.
No, you can come with us.
GSG 5.
Okay, I have a lot more bullets in my pocket. Hold on. You can stop recording.
He's fanning it.
No!
No.
Just go! Don't
do it. Hey, I'm in charge. You aren't doing that.
Why? No, I gotta listen to Andrew.
All right.
What?
No, you can't. 12 gauge mountain line.
Tight grip. Pull the hammer back.
I'd hold on.
Hold on fucking tight, dude. I almost dropped.
Dibs on that.
What the hell? Okay. So Keegan is down there. They just killed something. Where's it at? He carrying it? Alright.
Oh yeah. All right, now. Hey, yeah, that's buddy. The bird Birdie. That Jake got.
Squirrely.
Here's the squirrel that Matt got. There's Keegan just with his 357, and there's Trevor with the 22.
You can't post this on the internet, you know, right?
This ain't no 22.
I know.
This is a shot.
You think it'd be a safe shot?
No, get over. Go over to the left and flank it. Sexy. I see it.
My hands are shaking. Told you it wasn't pressurized.
Here, I want to take a cap at it.
Went straight through.
Yeah, it wasn't pressurized.
Looks like there's still shit in there. Okay, let's go. We should probably put that away.
No, we'll shoot at it tomorrow. Come on, you guys.
Let's put it away, dude.
We're gonna shoot at it.
We forget
tomorrow.
about it.
We're not, how are we gonna forget a big red thing on top of
Dude,
a rock?
there's plenty of stuff around here. We could forget about anything.
We're not gonna forget about it.
Yeah, dude, we won't forget about it, I promise. Let's go.
Should go through.
The fuck? Okay, you're good. Shoot again, shoot again! Oh. Wait, go cheese and a fire. You're supposed to throw it on the fire, you douche.
Hold on. You did, it passed right through. Hold on.
It didn't explode.
It's under the fire.
That's a buck.
It was like black powder the last time. Well, it's burning. Whatever.
That's a nice butt. Look at them little man movies. Oh, take it off. Woo!
No Brokeback Mountain though.
How's it going?
Yeehaw!
You like this? Yeah.
Guys, look at me. I'm riding a snowmobile.
Gotta get like a helmet cam, just like this.
Yeah, fuel.
How does this even work, bro?
You piss on it.
Yeah, piss on it.
Dude, P fixes everything.
I'm gonna spank his butt. Go get video of it.
Look at the water.
I have a knife here, dude.
Think he liked it. Is that nice water, Ender?
Oh yeah, fantastic water.
Recording still?
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit.
What are you making, huh? Coffee.
It's you know, everyday camp life. Go fuck around with those horses. I need that. For that.
It's still going.
Hey, pour that coffee. How much? More coffee. How much? Like a shit ton? I'll tell you. Keep going. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Deeper? Harder?
Faster? Faster?
There. Oh my god.
Ah!
Oops.
Real man. So you're gonna make some Joe? And then we're just gonna chill? You'll probably hear our rocks from there.
Hey guys. Ow! Do you have any gasoline? We should siphon some. Get the fire actually going.
Yeah, but we need to watch it. 'Cause we're gonna go mess around with the.
I'll watch it. I'm gonna chill here for a little bit.
No, we can't go without Matt. Yeah, dude. It won't take that long.
It goes.
I don't know. We found them like this. It's like an orgy and everyone died. Looks like there's salt on them. Yeah, it's because I'm that thug. It's gonna die. Shit.
No! Go! Get out of here. I'm taking a shit. You're fucking gay. Just wait till I get out and get that gun, dude.
Oh no. You can't shoot me, Keegan. You love me.
You're so gay. You're so gay.
You like it.
Let me take a shit. Wait till you take a shit. I'm gonna make sure everybody knows.
You're supposed to close the door, Keegan.